In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy from Alibaba if you are not a dropshipper, because a lot of people that use Alibaba, they are dropshippers. Like they buy products from Alibaba and they send them directly to the Amazon warehouse, and all the products that you see here, you can find the same products on Amazon. They are the same. Okay, they came from China. Now the reason why you should buy from Alibaba is because you can find a very cheap items. I literally bought a motorcycle here for like $200. I remember $200, and it's a good quality like motorcycle. Now what you need to do, guys, to buy from Alibaba first is to create an account. First, in the top here you can see here this icon here in the top, and then click on join for free or sign in. Now for me, I already have an account. I'm going to click on sign in, and I'm going to sign in using my Facebook. Now after you log in into your I'm going to log in using my Facebook because I already have an account. Now for you, you have to sign up using your Google or Gmail or whatever. Now after you sign up, guys, for Alibaba, you just want to select the product. Now you want to search, for example, I'm going to search for desk for PC. Now gaming desk for PC. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, to buy the product and they ship it directly to you is you want to first select, like I'm going to show you all the methods that are like all the ways that you can buy from Alibaba. The first way, guys, to do is in the left, you can see here ready to ship. You want to click on ready to ship, and then now you can find only products that are ready to ship that moment. Now for example this one, but the minimum pieces here is 50 pieces. Like we can't buy one, but I'm going to show you how you can buy only one. Click on that item. For example, let's say that you want to buy a lot of items. You can find here like it says here 50 here. What you need to do, guys, now if you want to buy a lot of items but for one or two, you can buy them by clicking on order now, but it doesn't have order now option here because you are talking about 50 pieces. Now for 50 pieces, you have to contact the supplier. You have to click on contact, and you have to tell the supplier what is the price of the shipping, what about the customs, stuff like that. But if you want to buy only one piece, it's very easy. And like for example this one, we can buy one piece. It's called minimum order is one piece. Click on that, and here you will find start order. As you can see here, you can see start order. Click on start order, and first you have to select which one you want because there are two colors, red and black. Select this one and then click start order. Now after you click on start order, you just want to add here your address. In the top it says here add an address. Select your address, country, street address, city, zip code, contact name, and after that you want to click on submit. Okay, next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to add the payment method. Now this is very important. Scroll down a little bit, and here you will find the payment methods here. Now after you select the address, guys, you want to click on submit order, and then you have to pay using, for example, Visa or MasterCard or PayPal, but sometimes it's not available to use PayPal. Okay, now that's all you need to do, guys, and Alibaba is very safe, so there is nothing to worry about. Like the Alibaba is a very big e-commerce website. Like it's trusted. There is nothing to worry about. You can just buy and then pay using your credit card, and there is nothing to worry about. If something happened, you can easily contact the seller, and they are going to refund your money. If the seller doesn't want to refund your money, then you can make Alibaba step in. Like they can help. They can send you the money back to your account if the seller doesn't want to send you the money. Like the refund process is very easy to get your money back if something happened, if they don't send you the item. You can just search on YouTube how to open a dispute on Alibaba, and you will find a bunch of videos. Now you can contact a supplier before you purchase by clicking on that, and then click on contact supplier if you have any questions about the order. And here you can start order, right? As you can see, start order, and then you can buy it by clicking this, like select which one you want, then click start order. And like I said, you just want to enter here the address and then your credit card or PayPal. So that's all you need to do, guys. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.